Here's another great tool from the Lisle Corporation that's right here in the good old USA. This is a telescoping hood prop, and we've got a solid steel construction, and there is fairly long and will hold your hood up out of your way. Don't have to worry about your bad shocks on your hood, letting the hood fall on your head, because this thing's solid. And it's got friction release. You just push up on it, retract it. There's one here. Push up on it, retract it. There it is. On this end, it's got a rubber foot. Now, this is the original rubber foot. I've had this for over 20 years. It's probably more like 25, close to 30. I've had it for a long time. And the rubber little stopper on the top, it poked through and broke, and that's no surprise. I used it for decades, so I just put Gorilla tape around it up here. The rubber stopper is in there, but the top of it, came off, and so I taped it up. But here's the Amazon link for the tool itself, and the stopper or the rubber pad on the top. Here's the link for it to replace it, and if I get around to it, I'll replace it. But for now, I just got tape on there. But you can get it, and it's not that expensive. Telescoping hood prop. It's a good one. So please touch my like thingy, share my shizzle, and subscribe, damn it!